Racing just is started with Blint Rage. Break quickly restart. And on the outside is Fortune Island. In the middle portion, High Fair Velocity. Running by the rail comes Sama-Sama. Then comes Tornado is Sprinter. Modern Curl. Down on the inside now is Ian Civitex. Then followed now by Body Beautiful. While Arts Angel is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, two runners now matching their strides together. Flint Ridge is running by the rail. High Fair Velocity is on the outside. Then 3 lengths back in third comes Ian Civitex. Alongside comes Fortune Island. Modern Girl in the middle portion. Then comes Sama-Sama. Tornado is Sprinter. Then next online now is Body Beautiful, while Arts Angel is still racing in less. And at the far turn, we have Flint Ridge is still in control, leads by about 2 lengths. Moving upon the outside now is Fortune Island, dropping back in third games. High Fair Velocity, Sama-Sama. Moving upon the outside now is Tornado Sprinter, then comes Modern Girl. As they swing for home, we have Flint Ridge. Now he strides away by about 8 lengths over for a Fortune Island, Tornado Sprinter, and finally, Flint Ridge. Fortune Island, Tornado Sprinter, then comes High Fair Velocity.
Alright, malayo. Pagkakapanalo nito ating outstanding favorite number 6, Flint Ridge with Deo Fernandez. Masisigunting for a Fortune Island. Then 8, Tornado Sprinter.